Hey, it's time for a little Fun Physics Friday, brought to you by Physics Everywhere, and you can have fun even if it's not on a Friday.
Bathroom vanity light fixture plugged in. None of the bulbs are on, so I'm just going to check to make sure they're all tight. Put the last one in. So this one has gone on, the other ones haven't, which makes me think that probably these bulbs are burnt out. So if there's a bulb that's burned out, we obviously need to take it out. So I will undo that one. But lo and behold, this one has actually come on. So I guess this bulb isn't actually burnt out. But when you put it all the way in, it goes out again, and so does that one, and that one seems to get brighter. So I think maybe this one's burnt out. So I'm going to undo it, and we'll see what happens. And now these two have gone on, and this one has gotten a little bit dim. So I don't think that's the bulb that's burnt out. Must be this one. So let me undo this one. And as I undo that one, this one has come on. That one's actually very faintly on, and that one got a little bit dimmer. So I don't think that bulb is actually burnt out. Well, maybe I'll try undoing these two and see what happens. And now these two have gotten slightly dim. So something a little bit odd going on here. Let me try undoing these two and we'll see what happens. And now those two are on. What happens if we undo these two? Okay. So it's a bit of a crazy setup. These are 60 watt light bulbs, these are 40 watt light bulbs, and the wiring underneath is a combination of parallel and series, and the resistances with the bulbs create these very cool patterns that can get kids scratching their heads to figure out what is going on.